So we are at China Bistro. This is the kind of stuff available. Take a look. It's quite a nice spread. This is my favorite section. This is where I intend to spend more of my time. See, you have brownies, chocolate brownies. This is it just keeps getting better and better. Okay, this is fruit truffle. These are the different types of ice creams. Make your own sundae, it says. There used to be a chocolate fountain here, so I don't know, I'm a bit confused. It's not there anymore. But wow, this is also something interesting. It says chocolate roll, honey noodles, and that of course is regular food. So this is as good as it gets, and this is Aish.
Hi.
On that note, what is this? Thanks for not. Yes, that's right.